Let's do some nighttime skincare together while I go over skincare products that I really enjoy using. One of the first things I started doing when taking my skincare seriously a few years back is making it a habit to clean my skin before bed, and now it's something that I really enjoy doing. I always start with the double cleanse, meaning I start with an oil cleanser to break down any makeup and prior skincare on my skin. I really like this one. It does a really good job. It's very gentle on my skin. I also like that I don't have to use it in combination with any cotton pads. I can just dispense it into my hands and use it that way. I then rinse off the cleansing oil and use my CeraVe facial cleanser to clean my skin now that the majority of my makeup is melted off. I used to only use cleanser and now I only ever double cleanse. It's a much more thorough process for cleaning your skin. Taking the single-use facial towel by Clean Skin Club to dab off any excess water so my face isn't dripping, but it also doesn't make my skin bone dry, which I love because these are single-use towels. They're also a cleaner, better option than using the bathroom towel, and they are extremely soft. These sheets are actually quite big. I personally cut them into 4, and that quarter size is more than enough. I can always use another piece if I need, but this just helps them last a lot longer and you waste less that way, so just a little tip. Tonight I'm liquid exfoliating using my trusty Paula's Choice BHA 2%. I like doing this about once a week, especially as a makeup wearer, because this really helps to deep clean my pores. It removes any dead skin and it leaves my skin looking softer and brighter. The Paula's Choice one is my favorite. It's non-drying. It doesn't strip my skin. If anything, my skin looks better after using it. Taking the snail mucin, it has a very weird viscosity to it, as you can see, but it's a really great product. I think it really helps a lot with dark spots and hydration. It's very lightweight and it sinks into my skin really nicely. Using this hydrating serum for my eye area, I particularly like this one for the metal ball tip that stays cold. It just feels so nice to apply it because of that cooling effect. It's like a little spa moment for your eyes. Now to lock everything in, I'm taking this Cosrx cream and applying that all over my face. A little goes a long way. This is very nourishing, but it's not heavy at all, and it instantly just makes my skin feel nice and soft. Lastly, don't forget your lips. I know the Laneige sleep mask, the one that comes in a pot, is very popular. I actually prefer the one in the tube, so that's the one I'm using here. And that is it. I like to wrap my skin in a big skincare blanket overnight. My skin is always so nice and supple in the morning, and none of these products are heavy.